Guru tells you that God alone exists or Atman alone exists, that very moment you have Shraddha in you, Bhakti in you, you just take it completely, there it is over. After that, there is an incessant vision of God, because this is all God. The Upanishad says, Tvam stri, tvam pumanasi, tvam kumara utava kumari, tvam jirno dandena vanchasi, tvam jato bhavasi vishvato mukaha. The Upanishad mantra which says, O Shiva, you have become the man, you have become the woman, you have become the girl, you have become the boy. Even the old man tottering with his walking stick is also your form. And all the rain clouds, the lightning, the green bird, the black crow, the mountain, these are all your forms. Because whatever the sage is seeing in front of him, he says, this is all Shiva, this is all Shiva. So, if that bhakti is there, that very moment this truth gets registered in us. And from that moment onwards, you have God vision. Not somebody asked Ramana Maharshi, when he was in fact a great devotee, Yogi Krishna Prem, he came with Dilip Kumar Roy. So he asked Maharshi, in Gita Krishna has said, Vasudeva Sarvam. That everything is Vasudeva. Is it not the greatest teaching? Maharshi said, true. Then he said, if everything is Vasudeva, who is the seer? If you know the seer, his essence, then everything will be filled with that. If you behold Vasudeva in your heart, everywhere it will be Vasudeva. Jagrati Rama, Swapani Rama. Kabir says, the waking state is Rama, the dream state is Rama, and tu karta, tu bhaya, mujme rahi na ho. It's a very well-known dohe of Kabir, where he says, constantly I was telling Rama, you have become everything, you have become everything, and now when I search within me, I don't find myself. There also, it is only Rama. So that teaching Swami lived. That was his breath. Every moment it was only Father. This beggar does not exist. Ganeshana used to say, I have also seen Swami many times, but I had no conversation or anything. But Ganeshana used to say, he used to use it like mantra. Father alone, for any problem. Ramana Maharshi used the mantra of who is asking this question. Then also you come to the same conclusion. The questioner does not exist. You go with a doubt, he asks who is the doubter. Then the doubter you seek, who is this I? The I does not exist. Another way is what Swami used to do. Instead of saying I don't exist, only he exists. You constantly, Ramakrishna used to say, Tvam, Tvam, Naham, Naham, Tvam, Tvam. This is pure medicine. In spiritual sadhana, a stage might come. Almost every seeker will encounter, where you will not be able to do anything. Sometimes, even desire for spiritual evolution becomes a great block. Day before yesterday, one devotee came. He said, I don't know what to do. I am not able to meditate. Whatever I may try, meditation is not happening. Suddenly I told him, you tell Bhagavan, I don't want meditation. You tell Bhagavan, I don't want meditation, I don't want moksha, I don't want realization, I don't want liberation. Whatever you want to do with me, do with me. Then you will be freed. His whole face was lit with light when he heard this, because such freedom is there in desirelessness. In desire there is no freedom. Even for God, if you desire, it is okay. It will rescue you from other desires. But ultimately, any kind of desire is an obstacle. So, you just accept what the Guru says. And what he says is, only Bhagavan exists. Only Ishvara exists. Then, I don't exist. Samsara is not there. Worldly life is not there. Nothing to achieve, nothing to attain. Then the whole thing becomes, you are like a madhukara. Madhukara means a honeybee drinking honey in a flower. It just hovers there. It does not sit in the flower. It will not put its weight there. Like that you live in the world. No heaviness. Because everything has become so light. Vyasa said, Lokavattu Leela Kaivalyam. In his Brahma Sutra he said, for a jnani, for a knower, this worldly life, it is as if he is living the worldly life, but it is only a sport. Because he knows Kaivalyam, there is no two, only one exists. This is the Kartikeya Deepam message. This is Deepam, this is Ananda. Arunachala Shiva. Yogi Ram Sarat Kumar.